Hi, I'm Vicki.
And I'm Joanne. Welcome to our Gooseberry Patch Kitchen.
Today we're making one of our favorite treats for a family get-together, peanut butter Texas sheet cake.
This recipe comes from our Church Suppers cookbook and was shared with us by Kathy from Nevada, Ohio. For the dry ingredients, start by sifting together the flour. We've got our sugar, baking soda, and salt.
For the wet ingredients, start by combining the butter, water, and peanut butter in a saucepan over medium heat and bring it to a boil.
Add the hot peanut butter mixture to the flour mixture and mix well and set aside. Combine the eggs, vanilla, and buttermilk. Add that to the peanut butter flour mixture. Spread into a greased 15 by 10 inch jelly roll pan. Bake at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes until it springs back when gently touched.
Combine butter, peanut butter, and milk in a saucepan over medium heat. Bring to a boil. Remove from heat, stir in powdered sugar and vanilla to a spreading consistency.
Spread peanut butter icing over warm cake. This smells so good. I can't wait to take a bite. Shall we go ahead and take just a little one to give it a try? This is so delicious. It's sweet, but not too sweet.
Oh my gosh.
It's creamy and smooth.
Oh, the peanut butter icing is so creamy. Oh my gosh,
You know,
it tastes like fudge.
And I was going to say, even some chopped peanuts on the top would be really good.
You like crunchy, I like
I do. I like a little
smooth.
combination of both. It's really delicious.
If you like peanut butter, you'll love this recipe. And there are thousands more recipes on our website at gooseberrypatch.com.
And please be sure to let us know if you try the recipe. Thanks for watching.